For all car drivers, I have a really useful video today. 2-in-1 tire pressure monitor system. 2-in-1 is it also shows temperature and tire pressure. All my other cars, they have a built-in monitoring system. Anytime I have a low air pressure, my car shows which tire have a low pressure. But in this car, Honda Accord 2021, I have a really hard time to find out because this car only shows me low air pressure. I have to have a gauge and check each tire which one have a low air pressure because the tires are like radial tires. Physically it's really hard to tell which tire have a low air pressure, so I was tired of that one and I bought this one. In this video we will be complete setting up tire pressure monitor for Honda Accord. Now first let's open and see what we get inside. I bought it from Amazon about like $25 with the tax and everything. When you open the box, we get instruction manual, we get some tools. There's a 4 monitors for each tire. If you buy for motorcycles, you're gonna get only 2. This one for car, so I have a 4. They have already labeled on it: right, left, rear, left, rear, right, front, left, and we got some sticky tape to put the monitor on the dash, and we have a monitor inside. Let me open. Monitor have a solar charging panel on the top. Little display. I have a 3 buttons: power on button, menu, left and right. So first I will say you charge or you just leave it in the sun for charge. If you don't have a sunny day, you can use USB cable to charge. There's 2 ways to charge, with the solar and with the USB. First we are going to set up this monitor because this monitor is not set it up. We're gonna just turn power on and wait for it to be turned on. Here it shows battery level. Battery is almost 50%, maybe more than 50%, and right now it tried to detect those monitor, and the units they are using like a bar and Celsius. We have to change those units from a bar to PSI and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, now first time we had to set up for USA. I'm in a USA, so I'm using PSI and Fahrenheit. This one already comes with the bar and Celsius, which one not gonna work for us. Side green one is the temperature, the one is blinking, that's air pressure. So to change those units, we're gonna press and hold the middle menu button for like 5 seconds. Okay, you can see this bar button start flashing. We're gonna press this one up button. You see this change from bar to PSI. We're gonna press menu one more time, and this one is Celsius. We're gonna press this up button again and Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna press and hold this menu button. Okay, now here these buttons doesn't tell you which one is power menu. I just found on the instruction manual. So right now you can see temperature, and I have a air pressure is blinking because those monitor I have not installed yet. Now we're gonna install and wait for those to communicate and see which tire how much pressure we have. For installation, I'm gonna use my best guess. This one say front left. From the driver's side, I'm sitting and I'm just thinking this is my front left. And if we have to change later, we will change later. We're gonna put this one first all the way. Now this one say front left. You can just tight all the way. You're gonna hear a little bit of air because we have to poke this middle pin to get air pressure inside here. So now this one is fully tight. Now this piece we're gonna tight all the way against. What we're gonna do is gonna prevent this piece to come loose and fall. So I installed one. We're gonna follow same instructions. We're gonna install all. I'm just double checking if I'm right. As you can see, it shows a driver side 33 PSI, which one I'm right, and and we are on the right track. I'm going to install all other. So now I'm done with the installation those monitor on my tires, and as you can see, air pressure, 4 tires, which one I have a 14 psi is was alarming, and I know that tire always have a low pressure. I have something wrong, I have to fix it. So now if any other tire have a low pressure, then I will know which one. So this one you can either put on your dashboard, you can leave it in your car the way you want, and also we can mount the way this one goes to the sun, so your battery will be fully charged. I can also use USB port to charge. So only one thing I have noticed, like this one I have a low air pressure. If I have to fill air on this tire, I have to remove this a little thing from the top, monitor thing, then I will be able to fill. When I will be filling, this monitor not going to tell me how much air pressure I have to use my arm gauge. After fill completely, then I can put it back, and I will mount this one back in. It will show me if any other tire or this tire going to be low air pressure in the future. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.